Insert the tube into the nostril and advance the tip towards the back of the head in the nasopharynx. The tube has a feature at the tip to allow the tube to deflect downward towards the esophagus as you push it towards the back of the head. When the first mark is 6 inches outside the nostril, the tube tip should be in the mid-esophagus. Insert the proximal end of the tube into a cup of water. Absence of rhythmic bubbling with respiration is suggestive of correct esophageal placement. Advance the tube until the first mark is at the nostril, which corresponds with the tip being at the distal esophagus. Then apply the face of the external magnet to the right upper quadrant, the area of the gallbladder. We notice here that the tube is traveling along the lesser curvature of the stomach. The red light should be illuminated. If you push more of the tube into the stomach, it will travel along the greater curvature, giving you more push power, which is very important. At this point, the magnet should be moved to a more lateral position to allow passage of the tip through the pylorus. To advance the tube more distally, move the external magnet to the right lower quadrant to attract the tube tip toward the end of the second part of the duodenum. The light should remain illuminated. Remember, this is the location where the bile duct opens. If you aspirate a sample now, you should obtain bile with a pH of 8, which will turn the pH paper to a dark green color. If you advance the tube to the third and fourth part of the duodenum, the aspirate should be bile tinged with a pH of 7.5 to 8. Placement into the jejunum can be attempted like this as well. As long as the light remains illuminated, the magnets are communicating and you are influencing migration of the tube. The pH in the jejunum will be 7. After securing the tube and removing the stylet, an abdominal X-ray must be obtained. X-ray is the gold standard to confirm final tube placement.